What's up YouTube, Poplar Mechanic here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Oregon SpeedCut Nano kits. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we're in the shop here and I have the 2511T in front of me here, and I just wanted to answer a question one of my subscribers had. I told them now in the comments, but I just wanted to put it in this video just in case anyone else had questions. So here's the sprocket that comes with the Echo kit, okay? Now you have to buy the right kit for your saw, unless you want to be modifying stuff, which you probably don't. So if we go ahead and have a look at the 2511T, you can see that there's two pegs that run the worm gear that'll run the oiler, okay? So this has to sit against that properly, otherwise it's not going to be oiling, okay? So you can see on the 2511 kit here that I got from Amazon, it's got this hole in here, and I'll show you from the side so you can see. Yeah, right there, that little notch. And basically what that does is when I put this on here, it allows it to turn that worm gear while I'm cutting. It's pretty straightforward, but I just thought I'd answer that because he told me that people were saying you had to modify them, which you definitely don't. And to make sure you guys get the right kit, what I'm going to do is I got this stuff from Amazon, so I'm going to go ahead and leave the link for the 2511 I have it for, and the 194T. I'll label them clearly in the description, and that way you guys can go check it out. And if you don't necessarily need all the pieces, at least you'll have the part numbers so you can get the right stuff. So it runs really good on the 2511T here. It's really good chain. Now I was running the quarter pitch, so I mean it's not really a comparison video, but you know, I did like the quarter pitch. It definitely has its qualities. Like if you're doing a lot of pruning, guys, and you're doing a lot of fine cuts, you know, and smaller branches, you know, it'll still do larger branches. I just find the quarter pitch sort of binds on bigger wood and stuff like that. It's just because the chain's so thin, and it does break easily, but it still makes a really nice finishing pruning cut. So that's one of the qualities. I'm still going to continue to use it on one of my battery pole saws. So basically, the SpeedCut Nano, like the chain here, is a low pro 0.325 pitch, 43 gauge chain. So it's right in the middle between 3/8 Pico and the 1/4. I think it's really smart marketing, the fact that they put that out, and the fact that they put these kits out that you don't have to modify anything, you can just put them on. So it's really cool. So just have a look in the description if you guys are interested in that, because it'll definitely be a big help if you're looking to get it. And as far as the chain runs, I ran it for a couple days on the Echo, and then I just got my 194T bar in yesterday, so I put it on this morning, and I'll have some video footage of that as well. And we can also stack that up against the 3/8 Pico I have on my 201, which is, yes, a more powerful saw, but it'll just give you an idea. So that's pretty much all I wanted to say, guys. I just wanted to make sure you knew you were getting the right stuff. And like I said, I'll leave those links, and that way you can ensure you're buying the right parts.
Alright guys, so right now we're running the 194T with the SpeedCut Nano. We're going to be cutting some medium to small size stuff, and then we'll move on to some bigger firewood size stuff. Alright guys, so here we are on some firewood size pieces for the 194T. Keep in mind this is Siberian elm and it is frozen, but it still seems to cut it quite smoothly.
That's not a very high CC saw.
Okay, so here's my modified 201. I'm running 3/8 Pico square ground on this. Let's see how it cuts through this larger size frozen elm wood. Alright guys, so right here we're running the 462. This one's just got a bark box and the aftermarket dogs. We're running square ground on this. I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. Alright guys, so right now we're running the 2511T with the 14-inch bar. We're running the SpeedCut Nano obviously, and I'm just going to let this one roll and we'll see what she looks like.
Yeah, my buddy modified it. So it's boarded is what they call it. So they cut the base. I've actually done that the way it's saw. See, that's why I got this. I was gonna get into it, but it was one of those things I was Alright guys, well thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.